In Optio, processes don't just go from one station to another, but can also split. Let's say you got a big order and you need to hire another welder, or actually buy another welding station, because you have to make 40 right parts. So right now we have one welding station. Let's add a second one next to the first one, and let's call this welding aux and put it right next to it. And now let's add routes to our process from steel coils into the new welding station, as well as from the new welding station to quality inspection. Note that we have selected choice as the diverging type here. And now we can see how this looks like in the lot view. In the lot view, we now see the new station, and we see that these two locations here are offset from the others because they indicate a parallel process that happens here. And we can now go into either of these stations, maybe the new one, and start kicking off. From our queue, we see the full queue. There are these 40 right parts that we need to make. Let's say we make 20 in this welding station, and we have in the other welding station, we pull in the remaining 20. So here they are, we kick them off and start welding. Now let's assume the first welder is done and moves 20 of those forward to the quality inspection, and the other person is not done yet. Let's see how this looks like in the lot view. So we have the right parts that are still in welding here, 20 of them, and 20 of the right parts have already arrived at quality inspection. Now once I finish these in the first welding station, I move them over to quality inspection, and the lot will have been merged again.